What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So in this scenario, our vehicle's locked and the key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip open the emergency key that's in the key fob by pressing that button. Now I'm going to use this key to unlock the driver's door. So I'll stick the key in, turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock it. And now's a good time to go ahead and fold that key blade back in just so it doesn't get in our way. Now, as soon as we open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm from going off is we need to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with the dead key fob is we're going to get in, press the brake like normal. Then I'm going to use the top of the key fob, this part right here, to press the stop start button. And then once the vehicle starts, the alarm will turn off. I'm going to show all this to you. We're going to be going kind of quickly and the alarm's going to be loud. All right, let's give it a shot. So get in, press the brake like normal, and then just use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. And then as you saw there, once the vehicle starts, the alarm will turn off and now you'll be ready to drive as normal. And the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to do that, how to replace the battery in this key fob if you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.